Once a donor sets up recurring giving, Charitable and your payment gateway handle everything automatically. There's no cron job to configure and no charging to do by hand. Here's an active monthly gift. Each month, the payment gateway processes the donation automatically, right on schedule. You can see every renewal on the subscription itself in the donation log. Month after month, the payments just keep processing. And each renewal automatically emails the donor a fresh receipt, the same receipts you can customize in Charitable. Every renewal is also recorded as its own donation. Open one and it's a full donation record linked right back to the subscription. Same donor, same amount marked as a renewal, so your donors' reports and totals always stay accurate. So renewals are hands-off. The gateway charges on schedule, Charitable records each one, and your recurring revenue grows on its own. Find more Charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.